Hi, I'm Boss Sumo Bro, and today, I'm going to make an earthquake at Bob Evans' restaurant. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's head to Bob Evans' restaurant. Yes, I made it to Bob Evans' restaurant. Now it's time to head outside and make an earthquake. Alright, I'm inside Bob Evans' restaurant. Now, I will make an earthquake in this restaurant, and I'll do it by making a really big jump. Yes, I made a earthquake here in Bob Evans' restaurant. Yes, I made a earthquake here in Bob Evans' restaurant. Yes, I made a earthquake here in Bob Evans' restaurant.
Oh my god. The entire Bob Evans restaurant has been completely destroyed. How could this happen? Hey you! Stay right where you are.
Oh no, it's the manager at Bob Evans' restaurant, Red Toad.
Boss Sumo Bro. Can you please explain to me why the entire Bob Evans restaurant is completely destroyed?
Well, Red Toad, I have a real explanation to why the entire Bob Evans restaurant is completely destroyed. You see, I made an earthquake here in this restaurant by making a really big jump.
Boss Sumo Bro. Are you serious right now? I can't believe you made an earthquake here in Bob Evans' restaurant by making a really big jump and destroyed the entire restaurant. Now we have to pay a lot of money for the damages you have caused to this restaurant. That's it. You're banned from visiting this Bob Evans restaurant for 8 days. Now get out of here and go home right now while I call your parents about this. Hello Boss Sumo Bro's parents. This is Red Toad speaking. Your son made an earthquake here in Bob Evans' restaurant by making a really big jump and destroyed the entire restaurant.
Boss Sumo Bro did what? Oh my god. Thanks for telling us. We're gonna ground him right now. Goodbye. Boss Sumo Bro. We are extremely furious at you right now after Red Toad has told us through phone that you made an earthquake at Bob Evans' restaurant and destroyed the entire restaurant. Now we have to pay a lot of money for the damages you have caused to the restaurant.
Your father's right, Boss Sumo Bro. That's it. You are grounded for 8 days. Head to your room right now.